guys, what's up? Today it's Tom back here with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a FIFA 18 video. Yields, that's right. I'm going to be doing it with my brother George.
Hi.
Let's get right into the vid. Right, today guys, we're doing a FIFA 18 pack opening video, and George is going to go first.
Hi. Please be good. Oh, it's a border. Oh, it's a new farm as well.
Oh,
Oh, who is he?
rubbish.
It's terrible.
Let's sell him.
I'm sorry. Sell him.
No, I love him. No, I love Glisten.
Who?
Glisten.
No, it's terrible.
No, George, I need him. No.
Ah.
Oh, whatever.
Right.
Marvel's looking back now, let's go. Oh yes, it's a ball player.
Messi.
No, George, how is that Messi?
Inzonzi.
Oh, Baniga.
No.
Okay, that's like really bad. Sell it, pack, George. Sell it.
Ooh.
Actually, no, go. Right, no, just keep on going. Okay, you know what? We don't need any of them.
We need them.
Okay, whatever. Right, George, you can sell that now. Nice.
Oh, I think we got what, the back.
George, there's fine, good. Right. George, right, it's George's go now. Now we have to trade to the 15k packs.
Please be border. That was terrible, man.
That's even though that looked like a silver, it was actually gold, a non-rare gold.
Oh, that is just
Sell, George, sell.
I'm definitely saying
Right, my go
what
again.
you can get.
Okay.
Tom might be good. I don't know if
No,
it's a
oh,
border.
it's a board
Oh,
player.
it might be a walkout.
No, oh,
Hutchinson.
I don't know why I just thought that was
Calavo.
Carvajal. Nice. I don't know, I actually don't know his name, but anyway. Oh yeah, George, I need him. No, that's not the real Suarez. Oh, you
What did I
stupid
do?
person.
Oh.
You just send them all to
Right.
club. Right, now George's go again.
See what I can get. Oh, terrible. That
Oh,
was
this
defense.
focus is really bad. Oh, guys, sorry.
Mandanda.
Sorry about the stupid focus.
That. Shall we keep Mandanda?
No, just sell them. I sell them quick. Might go again.
See what Tom can get.
Oh no.
That was 2 flares.
Oh no, that's really bad.
No,
Are you? Oh, that is rubbish. They're rubbish. Right, I'm gonna sell all these. Actually, I'm gonna have a look. Yeah, I'm gonna sell all these. Right, kits. Now George go again.
See what I can get.
Oh yeah.
Please be a good walkout.
Oh no, George, that's definitely not a walkout. That.
Oh, Lord.
Oh no! Why do you always say that when it's like a?
Palinio. What you call
I don't know.
Patov. He looks like more than a striker, but he's a keeper.
Oh, he doesn't even look like a keeper. Right, it's now my go. My
See
go now.
He can get Tom.
Oh,
Imagine if he get like
come on.
Messi,
What am I gonna get?
Ronaldo. Yes.
Oh yes, it's a board
Yes,
player.
It's a border. Get in.
It's a board.
Oh,
Oh, Oh, Schneiderlin. Not that bad. Not that bad. Decent.
We're just gonna say.
Oh, I don't really care about them.
Is that what?
Oh, what a stupid notification. What a sign.
Finland.
George, you better change that.
Brazil.
George, you better change that badge of mine. Anyway, just sell them. Nice. Right, it's George's go. George's go again.
See what I can get. He's be a good player, decent. Oh no. I hate when I say night click noises.
Oh, that's
John Stones.
stone. It's not too bad. Right, it's my go. Last pack of the day.
See what I can get. Hernandez.
Oh, I did well. Right, I'm gonna sell these like sell.
Stindl.
Right. Bye guys, that's all I have for you today.
Like and subscribe. to
Yeah,
our
don't
channel.
forget to like and subscribe. Peace.
Peace out.